Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a nice emoji. So you can see that I already have drawn a bigger circle here, and I have used this compass to draw this circle. You can use this thing or any other stuffs to draw the circle. Let's draw a smaller circle at the bottom here. So I'm using a sign pen to draw that smaller circle, and another smaller circle. This is going to be the eye, the left eye for the emoji, and this is going to be the right eye for the emoji. Now I'm going to take two marker to make the bold outlines, which is the eyebrow for this drawing. So actually I have drawn the basic structure or the outlines of the expressions. All right, now I'm going to fill up the space in the middle with the pencil. This is going to be the dark color. All right, all these expressions you can see while you do chat with other people in some apps. All right, so mouth is done. I'm going for the eyes here. You can see the left eye. This is almost complete. All right, and this is the right eye I am drawing just now. Okay, so the drawing of the basic shapes and the circles is done. Now we're going to put the color with the marker pen. All right, we're going to make this drawing inside the bigger circle and highlight the whole area. So let's go on, do the progress. All right, so I can see the whole outline is getting nice. Okay, all right, so the drawing is done. I hope this is a very nice expressions. So if you follow all the systems and the steps, this is very easy and a nice drawing for the beginners. So you can go to our channel, select the playlist, and you can browse through different categories, which way or which subject you want to learn. You have lots of options. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on so that you can have all the new updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.